Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Our clients have earned $3.5 billion. It's your turn. Join the fully upgraded Clickbank University 2.0. 8-week affiliate plus 12-week vendor class. Bi-weekly expert classes. Specially curated add-on trainings. CBU Toolkit and Traffic Center. Massive discounts on our favorite tools. Live events for a fraction of the price. And the exclusive Clickbank University community. And surprise bonuses. The most important day in a person's life online is when they see that first Clickbank sale come in. It's an online rite of passage. Once that first sale is made, you know more sales can quickly follow. The next most important day? The day you hold that first check from Clickbank in your hands. That's the day where you know in your heart you've finally figured out how to use the internet to create real wealth. In order to get there, it only makes sense to let Clickbank help you, doesn't it? Because when you win, we win. That's why we've made it possible for you to follow in the exact footsteps of proven 7- and 8-figure Clickbank winners. When it comes to helping you build your online business, whom do you trust? This is not a trick question. Because until Clickbank University, despite the seemingly endless procession of gurus out there was no single reputable source for the latest in how to launch a Clickbank-based business. That's why we decided to create our own. So you'd have the very best information. Information that's dependable, reliable, and trustworthy. What's working now? The second most important reason we created Clickbank University is because the internet is constantly changing. It's evolving. It's critical to your online success. You're shown specifically what's working now, from people in the trenches, doing it every day. That way, you avoid a huge amount of trial and error. You eliminate the frustration of things not working as expected, and you make a huge shortcut to the learning curve. Now, with the launch Clickbank University 2.0, we've performed a major upgrade. We've leveled up. So many things have changed. That's why we're constantly improving what's already working and making it 10x better. Clickbank University 2.0 delivers the latest up-to-date strategies, methods, and tactics for you build your Clickbank business rapidly. Who else wants to be a part of this kind of success? $3.5 billion. Our clients have been paid out $3.5 billion as vendors and affiliates. That's a lot of zeros. 100,000 people. 100,000 plus people have found success on our platform. They're the reason for our success so far, and we want you to be one of them. 1,000 millionaires. We're excited to say that Clickbank has created 1,000 millionaires. We've packaged their strategies and success into the Clickbank University program. Complete access to 2 separate training tracks. Clickbank Product Publishing and Clickbank Affiliate Mastery. Product Publishing. Affiliate Mastery. Some of our students want to learn how to make money creating their own products and promote them on Clickbank. Others see more opportunity promoting other people's products. Let's be clear, both can be equally lucrative, assuming you're trained by Adam, Justin, and the rest of the Clickbank University team. We've witnessed everyday people making tens of thousands a month promoting a product that they've developed. We've also seen people get started very quickly promoting other people's products. You can decide to lean one or the other, or both, and then decide which course you would like to pursue. It's totally up to you. The curriculum is self-directed. 8-week affiliate track. You're going to love being taught by Adam. Adam made his first 6 figures specifically on Clickbank when he was just 20 years old using, of all things, other people's YouTube videos to promote products. Adam has been written up on CNN Money, Business Insider, and Yahoo Finance for his unique ability to think out of the box and generate millions leveraging the power of the internet as an affiliate on Clickbank. The 8-week affiliate track is for those who want to make easy money promoting other people's products. It's great if you're 12-week publisher track. Justin generated his first $1 million as a Clickbank publisher with his own products. Publishing an information product that gets purchased 50 or 100 times a day is a rush. What's even more of a rush? Doing it while you sleep. That's right. Once you've created your product and promoted it using the cutting-edge methods Justin will teach you, it's possible to have a perpetual money machine. Because if you can sell one, you can sell hundreds. And get affiliates to do the heavy traffic generation work for you. Do the math and you'll appreciate why being a Clickbank publisher is so lucrative. Clickbank publishing is for you if you want to run a full-blown information publishing business, you want to ratchet up your success to the next level, you want to leverage Clickbank's massive affiliate network. Justin has done it multiple times with students. And he'll teach you how to. In addition to the affiliate and publisher tracks, you also get targeted trainings, resources and tools worth thousands. Bi-weekly expert classes. Every 2 weeks, we bring in people who have made it as role models to show Justin's and Adam's training in action with people just like you. Our aim is to inspire you with real-life examples of people who are living the dream, showing you exactly how it's done so you can do it, too. And that's only the start. Special curated add-on trainings. We'll also be training you in specific, targeted strategies to help you focus on a specific area of marketing. It may be video marketing, copywriting, or marketing on Facebook. Each training will stack onto your learning, training and ultimately, your success. You'll learn from experts like. Plus, you'll get even more bonuses to guarantee your success. Clickbank Toolkit. Inside, you'll find all the tech providers, essential services, and special deals you need to get up and running simple, quick and easy, all with how-to PDFs, checklists, videos, and starter guides. You'll save huge amounts of time and money learning all the shortcuts and tricks to getting things done effectively, and often for free. The Traffic Center. With the Traffic Center you'll discover how to generate almost unlimited traffic and clicks, practically on demand. In exclusive Clickbank community. Imagine being part of a close-knit, like-minded group of success-seeking people, there to encourage, critique and inspire you along the way. We call it a mastermind. We've created the Clickbank University 2.0 private Facebook community so you'll never have to go it alone and are always on the right path to hitting your financial goals. Live events for just a fraction of the price. You're also welcome to attend Clickbank's private events. These events are reserved for people who maintain a special relationship with Clickbank. You're invited to attend at a significantly reduced cost because you're one of our valued students. 30-day money-back guarantee. As you can imagine, we're pretty proud of Clickbank University 2.0. It's giving hope to thousands of online marketers, giving them the mindset, strategies, tactics, and tools they need to be financially successful. We've been told it's the best Clickbank-oriented training on the internet. And we think you'll agree. However, if you're not absolutely thrilled with the training for whatever reason, you can request a refund. It's unlikely that would happen, but we want you to feel comfortable enrolling right now, knowing there's absolutely no risk on your part. So go ahead and enroll, watch the videos, enjoy the live interaction and feel free to ask Adam and Justin any question you might have. And know Clickbank itself, with a reputation for safe, secure transactions, stands behind its university 100%. You can't get a better guarantee anywhere. We're giving back. A percentage of your purchase will be donated to Pencils of Promise. 100% direct giving. Every dollar donated online goes directly to Pencil of Promises' programs to educate more children. 100% local leadership. All of Pencil of Promises' country directors are from the country they lead. 100% success rate. Every school pencil of promise open to date is fully operational and educating students daily. Your first Clickbank sale, a reality. It all starts with one sale. Just one. That one sale represents so much. A new life full of unlimited potential. Waking up every day excited about your new business. The pride and prestige of being your own boss. Freedom to work when and where you want. These are just some of the benefits that those first small sales represent. In no time at all, a stream of sales can follow, unleashing a flood of sales soon after. All because you're a student in Clickbank University 2.0. There's nothing to lose by trying it out. You're protected by our famous, ironclad Clickbank guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Your first training video is just a couple moments away. Justin and Adam are standing ready to take your personal questions. And we've lined up a series of role models and experts, where you can follow their lead. We've left nothing to chance. Our massive 2.0 upgrade contains the bleeding-edge strategies, methods, and tactics you need to succeed online. Our mission: to turn you into an ultra-successful online Clickbank marketer, whether you choose to be a Clickbank super affiliate or a Clickbank publisher. Either one is an amazing opportunity to do what most people never get the opportunity to. Be in control of your own life. You want that, don't you? You want that and everything that comes with it.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.